Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make a unboxing video of a Bluetooth speaker. Let's start the video. So guys, here's the box which I have purchased from Amazon. Right, now I open this box. Okay. Oops. Yes, here is the, you can see the wireless microphone hi-fi speaker, and the model number of this is WS858. Now I open that box, and inside you can see beautifully Bluetooth speaker, mic. You can also use as a mic. Okay, and now I switch on the button.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Right, the sound is too good. Now I play my voice in the mic. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Check. Hello, 1 2 3. Right? You can see that. And here's the inside. You can also see that your report options and the instruction of this guide as a guide button. Right. Also there is a charger. Right. You can use this as a charger option. So if you have a right, and the price of this is 998 including GST taxes. And if you want to buy this, I can give all the details in the description option. Okay, thank you guys.